You can use Automet during the fit-up stage to set up a high-tolerance tubular. In this example, we have two tubulars placed next to each other. Because this is a straight spool, we need to take an orientation point, so we start with that. Then we capture the two pipe ends and 5 circle fits around the pipes. Here is our default survey result, which shows a best fit line through all of the measured points. However, we are looking to correct the alignment on the second pipe, so we want to look at this differently. To configure the report for alignment, we use the transform tool. We set F01 as the origin and the circle fit close to the end of the first tubula as the set point. We set F01 to 0 and then set this on a line with circle fit 2 by selecting the green sphere. We have now set F01 and circle fit 2 on a line. You can see that the error values have changed to 0. This allows us to look at the alignment of the second tubula and correct it if needed. In this example, we need to move the tubula westwards 2.8 mm. This slight movement will also help with the mitre on the end of the pipe,